Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to add stitch vias in pads layout. So for that what we have to do, we have to go to drafting toolbar. Here the shape copper shape will be there, copper pore, but you have copper pore cutout, copper pore cutout, like this it is there, and board outline and cutout. This different shape is there. So we have to take copper. Okay, we have to take copper, select, right click, just click it to right rectangle. So here I am going in this footprint I am going to show you how to add stitch vias. So right click, and after that layer you have to make it top and bottom, because ground already it will be connected. If they want, you can pour it in ground also, ground and this one power also, but already this board I have already poured in top and bottom. Already it is flooded, means I have already poured here copper. So in top and bottom I am going to show you how to add. Select top, net assignment, just make it ground. Okay, apply. Okay, so here you can see, escape it. In top layer copper I have made. Now again what you have to do, just for bottom just select shape and copy, control C, control V, and make it here. Again go to properties. Here it is in top. Okay, one layer is in top. Okay, what to cancel, 1 second, escape. Now for that, now again what you have to do is, we have to make it here, and then we should assign the net. Add net. Go to properties. Here it is connecting top. So okay, no problem, just go to layer bottom only. 1 second, select shape, move, just check it. Select shape, go to properties. Here already top it is there. So for bottom what we have to do, shape, go to properties. So here just make it bottom, add net, ground, apply. Okay, so this top and select shape, move here, just place it here. Now what you have to do, just skip, just see, already I have made here vias. Just copy it, control C, and in this you just add vias. Roughly I am making, just make it proper, same distance should follow. Skip. Now just go to design toolbar, add root, and just add root top and bottom here. Thickness you can make it as per you know, thickness no need. Here already I have made, I think thickness is 20 mils or 30 mils, I have to check. So like this you can add stitch vias. Okay, and like this you can add. Already it is connected actually, but okay. So like this is the process how you can add stitch vias in pads layout. Okay, this route you need to make it clear, clearance error you need to check. So this is the process. Okay, so this, thank you so much for watching this video. I think it will be helpful for you guys. So please like, subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you so much.